Alright, so today we're going to be doing Y to I before adding ES. Now, the objective is the students will learn to spell words that change from Y to IES. Now, this is for third grade students. What we're going to do is we're going to show students how to spell words from a Y, changing it to an I, and adding ES. Now, the rules are if the Y follows a consonant, then change the Y to an I and add ES. If the Y follows a vowel, add S. Now, here's some examples I'm going to do with you. So, for example, carry. Now, since there's a consonant right here, we're going to change it to ARR, change the Y to an IES. So let's try another one. Story. So story, there's a consonant, an R. We can put STOR, change the Y to an IES. Let's try one more time. So we have enemy. Now, since there's a consonant, we're going to put EM, change the Y to an IES. So every time when there's a consonant, you're going to change the Y to an I and then add ES. Now, for this rule, if the Y follows a vowel, add S. So let's try that. So, for example, toy. Now, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So there's an O right here. So we're going to leave the Y alone, just add S. Let's try key. Now, there's an E right here, so we're going to leave the Y and add S. Let's try one more. Buy. So if there's a Y, a U right here, and then the Y, we're just going to add S because there's a vowel. Now, what we'll do is, like, if the students need help spelling I from a Y to a IES, this is what we can do. Now, I have an example here. This is what I'm going to do with the student. Story. So, if they need help with the word stories, now stories is going to be spelled like this. Now, if they're not able to spell the word, we can simplify it by saying, okay, it's STORY. Now, since there's a consonant, we need to change that Y to an I and then add ES. Now, once they understand that, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do the 5-step word study strategy. Now, 5-step is basically what the student's going to do is, okay, so they're going to learn stories. They'll go ahead and say stories, and then from there they're going to write the word STORES. So first they're going to say word, they're going to write the word out. Next they're going to check the word. So check word, STORIES, which is the same thing as up here. Next, they're going to go ahead and trace the word. So have a student with some extra paper trace the word and then say the word out loud. So it's going to be stories. So they're going to trace word and say it out loud. Easy. So next what they're going to do is they can cover it up and write from memory. So it's going to be STORIES. Once they write it, they can double check it, see if it's correct, and if it's right, they get to move on. Now, with this, if a student has spelling words like for the whole week, they can try this strategy at home with their parents. So let's try another one, just one more. So baby, to babies, change the Y to an I, add ES. Now from here, they're going to go ahead and say out the word babies. They're going to write the word out, babies. They're going to check the word, checking it. And then from there, they're going to go ahead and trace the word again, BABIES, cover the word, and then rewrite the word again and say out loud, babies. Now they're going to do this a few times until they get all their spelling words correct. But this is how you would change from Y to I before adding ES. Now what I can do is the examples. So let's say they have spelling words with cries, ladies, libraries, carries. And then let's try one more. Duties. So let's see if they don't know the word. You can always go back and be like cry. But you need to change the Y. Take away the Y. Add I to an I and then add ES. And then again, you'll go through that 5-step strategy, word study strategy. And from here, they'll go ahead and be like, okay, so cries. They'll say the word. Write the word, cries. We'll double check the word. Next, we'll go ahead and trace the word. CRIES. And then they'll say the word, cries again. And then from here, they can cover it and rewrite it in memory. So CRIES. Check it and see if they got it right. So good, they got it right. Again, what you'll do is if they have trouble, you can always just go back, put lady, take away the Y, add I, change the Y to I, and then add ES. And then from here, they'll say the word ladies, say word, write the word ladies, check the word, check word ladies, trace the word one more time, and then from here they'll go ahead and write the word and memorize it. So ladies, is it correct? It's correct. And they'll just double check it from here. Same thing with these three. If they know how to write the word, that you can go straight into that 5-step.